Okay, here we are again, and we're doing another unboxing of Bricks and the Dollars Lego haul. This one I ordered last week, and as usual, took about 6 days for it to arrive, and I'm quite happy to see this as I have a number of items in here that I've been waiting for. So let's, without further ado, dig in. Now, I was thinking about using the blade here. Well, maybe on the side, but don't believe I need to use it on the top. Just use the dull edge right here. There we go. Alright. Open this bad boy up. Sweet. So you can see here it's very nicely packed. Well, mostly nicely packed. One thing would have been nice is if these were in a bag on their own. That would have been nice as opposed to going all over the place. Luckily, Japanese postal service is good about not puncturing boxes, so I didn't lose anything here, and that's good. Alright, cool. There's one sale. The other one. Out here somewhere. It's not both, right? Let's see. Anyway, it's supposed to be a super lot for... Yeah, it is both. Okay, I just couldn't see the other one. Cool. I believe this is from... what is it? Well, it's from the Ninjago ship, I believe. The original one they released around 2012. I want to say Destiny's Bounty, is that right? Anyway. Cool Ninjago ship. Alright. So we have a lot of different assorted parts here. So with the exception of these not coming in a bag, everything else is well packaged. So let's see what happened here. Okay, I think I see what happened here. The in transit, apparently, it would appear that this bag that was full was not properly sealed and basically exploded out everywhere. Alright. So they did actually have a bag for it, just unfortunately the bag itself. Ziploc, the zipper part failed. Or it wasn't zipped to begin with, not sure. These are really good condition. Practically new. Another thing I like about Bricks on a Dollar, he will not sell anything he doesn't want for himself. That's a good rule when you're wanting to operate a Bricklink store. As a rule of thumb, never sell anything you would not want for yourself. If you would not want to receive it, then don't sell it. As you can see here, I have a lot of these trans, light blue, rock pieces. You might be wondering, well, what do I have in mind for those? Well, I don't know. I was thinking about some kind of winter scene, or that you might build a icy mountain on, or something like that. I didn't really have any idea. I was like, well, you know, I'd like to have these. That's cool. And I have a bunch. I'm slowly collecting a bunch of rock pieces. So I was thinking, well, this would be kind of nice to add to the collection. I'm not sure when I'll use it exactly, but I suppose sometime in the future I will. Alright. Ooh, very cool. Freebie. Now, I'm not sure what a Lego Dimension disc is supposed to be. Well, we can find out. Let's see, right here. What is a Lego? Oh, okay, that's cool. So that's what this Lego Dimensions disc is supposed to be. Very cool. These were limited offer from Clutch. If you happen to put an order in at a certain time, then you would be given one of these. It was basically while supplies lasted kind of thing. Let's see, how do I flip that back up? Well, anyway, I'll figure that out. Here. And these, friends, are a bunch of white nets. There should be some black ones around here. I'm not sure if this is all white. Yeah, it looks like all white. And the black ones are in here. Very cool. So a bunch of inverted slopes and some taps. Technique parts. I love Technique. Here's a really old, well, I think it's an old Technique part. At least I haven't seen these in the last 10 years or so. Alright. So I'm not going to bore you all with every single detail here, but the idea is just give you an idea of what I ordered, more or less. Alright. Let's see what other potential freebies I earned here. Oh, there he is. There's the Jack Stone. Compliments of Bricks on the Dollar's Brick Roulette. If you want free Lego, go to Bricks on the Dollar store, and when you place your order, just say Brick Roulette in your order, and you get a chance to spin the wheel, and maybe you get something cool. Now, I can kind of see why a lot of people don't like Jack Stone so much, but not too bad. I mean, it's just like the minifigures. A little bit different head, but yeah, interesting. Okay, well, be kind of cool. I'll add that to the collection. And apparently, very cool. I ordered a bunch of these wedge pieces here, and as you can see right here, what I have in this bag here. They were short, one or two, and because of that, they decided just to go ahead and give me this bag, which has that part in here. Now, of course, it's 43 pieces, and it's really cool. I think this was a promotional item. I don't know. I don't remember. But it's very cool. They made sure that they deliver all the parts, and I'm extremely happy about it. So, alright. More Technique. Love Technique. Alright. Really surprised by this part. This part is not in production anymore, and this one part alone is practically $10. And I think I need like 10 more of them. Unfortunately, Bricks on the Dollar only had this one, so that's what I bought. Anyway, well, that's what I have for today. Ooh, cool. Octan sticker. Do I get anything interesting here? Another kind of freebie, maybe? Ooh, cool. Alright. Custom Lego pieces here. Not authentic Lego, but yeah, it's cool. Alright, so I'm not going to bore you while I go through and audit my order to make sure I'm not missing any pieces. I'm pretty sure Bricks on the Dollar did a good job of ensuring that I have all the pieces. They've been very good about that so far. And I will catch everyone in the next stream. Until then.